on starting the physics NCERT based ninth class. ओके, इसमें क्या क्या कवर कर सकते हैं वो एक बार ओवरव्यू लेते हैं. एक स्टेटस, सेकेंड यूनिट, थर्ड स्पीड एंड वेलोसिटी, फोर्थ क्वांटिटी, फिफ्थ इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन, अब रेस्ट स्टेटस का मतलब ये होता है कि अगर केमिस्ट्री में जाएंगे तो किसी भी बॉडी का 3 स्टेटस हो सकता है. एक हो जाएगा सॉलिड, एक लिक्विड एंड थर्ड नंबर गैस. लेकिन सिंस दिस इज द फिजिक्स, तो स्टेटस में दो, एक रेस्ट होगा, एक मोशन होगा. अब रेस्ट का मतलब ये हो गया, इफ बॉडी इज नॉट टेकिंग एनी मूवमेंट and stationary on the point with respect to the time, it is called rest. The body is not moving or stationary from a point with respect to the time is called body or object is in rest. अब कोई भी एक मान लीजिए ये बुक है, ये रेस्ट है क्योंकि ये मूव नहीं कर रहा है टाइम के रेफरेंस में. इसके अंदर कोई वेलोसिटी नहीं है, कोई मूवमेंट नहीं है, जस्ट इट इज रेस्टिंग ऑन द पॉइंट. सो इट इज कॉल्ड बॉडी और ऑब्जेक्ट और ये बुक और वॉट एवर इट इज इन रेस्ट, because this is not a moving from the point A with respect to the time. I can say in other way, it has no any movement, any velocity, any direction. This is called rest. And if the body is moving from a point in any directions with respect to the time, it is called motion. Clear? Motion. Suppose this is the body. We have just put away a force and it is moving A to the B, from A point to the B, and with respect to the time t. So we can say that body is under the effect of movement with certain velocity with respect to the time. So it is in the motion. Finish. Unit means a tools by which any physical quantity is measured. A tools by which any physical quantity is measured. अभी क्या होता है कि अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, इफ आई एम आस्किंग टू यू, दिस इज a rod and having 10, what do you mean by 10? 10 is a number, but you have to put some base so that you can say that the length of this rod is 10 centimeter. This is the tools by which we are going to measure a rod in the terms of centimeter. This is the tools. It's called unit. Suppose a force does not have any meaning unless until we are not putting the unit Newton or Newton, 10 Newton. This is unit. Tools. A tools by which any physical quantity is measured is called unit. अब यूनिट में क्या है कि इसका 3 पार्ट होता है. There are 3 parts of unit which is commonly used. This is SI, International Standard of Unit. International Standard of Unit. This is SI. It is also known as MKS. More or less, wherever you go, we are following the SI unit, because this is a centimeter. If you will go in UK, centimeter will be applicable in UK also, in Russia also, China also, and everywhere. It is applicable across the world. This is MKS. In other term, SI, International Standard of Unit. What does mean by MKS? See, basic things. There are 3 basic things in a physical quantity, and this is the basic things. And whatever we have taken based on these 3 only. This is all books are printed or written in the terms of MPS only, at present in India or whatever involved or everywhere. Okay, this is the length foot. This is the mass pound, a time second. Okay, and third is CGS. Your length centimeter, mass gram, and time second. See, we are having we have some very typical questions right now. Tell me the one physical quantity, and tell me the name of one physical quantity which unit is same in all systems. All system means MTS, FPS, CGS. There is the same unit. Nothing will be changed. See, there is a changes in mass. Okay. There is a in SI and FPS and CGS. But if you will find the time there is no changes. In SI we have second, in FPS we have second, and CGS we have second. Very very tricky questions. Just remember and memorize these things. Time is a certain, is such a physical quantity which has same unit in all the systems, right? Systems. Time is this is a for objectives only. So this is a unit, and this is a unit, and other is physical quantity. There is a physical quantity as divided into the two things. One thing is scalar, other is vectors. We have to understand what is scalar. Scalars means the quantity will have the magnitude, but there is no directionless. Okay, suppose you have one bottle, and this is a cup, and you want to just open these things. If you will put the forces in clockwise directions, it will close. In anti-clockwise directions, it will open. Okay, so you have to denote the force in which direction you are just putting the force for opening the dhakkan from the bottles. So scalar has no direction. Suppose speed, distance, there is no directions. Suppose a person moves like this, ये इधर आता है, and again he goes up to C points, again he goes up to D points, again E points. What we are observing, A is moving, person is moving from A to B to C to D to E, but without a direction. He has magnitude, he has some speed, he has some things, but there is no directions. Okay, if there is no direction, it means distance is always scalar quantity. Scalar quantity, again I am repeating, scalar quantity is such a quantity which has magnitude, but there is no direction at all. There is no directions. And displacement, it's just reverse. Displacement is the shortest distance from one point, start point to end point. This is the distance. Suppose this is R, or this is a P, Q, S and T. Whatever 8 travel, total distance, how much it is? Distance is like P plus Q plus S plus T. This is the distance whatever he has traveled. But there is no direction at all. The distance is more, but displacement will have the magnitude or direction. This is the displacement. Shortest distance. This is the shortest distance. Distance from start point start point to end point. This is the displacement. Some other and remember time is also a scalar quantity. We are giving some scalar quantity, speed, time, work, energy, heat, etc. Vector quantity, displacement, speed, velocity, and force, like this. The notation of scalar quantity, it is notated by in the terms of A, B and C, alpha, beta or gamma. Somewhere alpha, beta and gamma. And vector quantity, it is not like that, because vector has suppose this is a movement like this, A, B and C. How we will represent A, B? But you have to put one arrow on the top. This is a notation of vector. And BC like this, and ऊपर में एक arrow डालना है. You have to put one arrow on the top of BC, because you have to put the direction also, because the point person is moving or particle is moving from A to B and B to C. You have to put the direction from where the person is coming, from A to B, again B to C. So you have to put the direction. This is showing a direction from where to where, from B to C, from A to B. This is the direction. Okay, and accelerations. Accelerate. Suppose a body is moving, mass is m, with the velocity of u. If we will put here force F1 in the direction of movement, where body is moving along the direction of movement of the body, then what will happen? Its velocity will be increased, almost increased. Suppose it is going on 5 meters per second, and you are just putting the forces. Whenever you put the forces, it will increase like this, 7 meters per second. This is a movement. So what you do exactly, what you will feel exactly, its velocity does increase with respect to the time while the body is moving from A point to B. Definition of acceleration, I am coming equation of motion. That's why I am just repeating all those things. Please just keep attention. Very good things. Definition: the rate of change of velocity is called accelerations. accelerations. Okay, the rate of change of velocity is called accelerations. 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 First letter is A. It is denoted by A, and the change of velocity, the change of velocity and time taken. Final velocity. What is the final velocity? Suppose this is u, this is v. Initial velocity is u meter per second. Final velocity is v meter per second. See, v is just will be greater than u. V will be greater than u because it is initially it was u meter per second. I mean 5 meter per second. Again it increased when we are just putting a force on the body A. It becomes 7 meter per second. It means that we have v minus u divided by t. Okay. Now this is A into t, at, v minus u is v is equal to u plus at. This is one equations. This is one equations. What? And there are three and four equations. Later I will speak because we have also v square, u square plus 2a. Body is moving of this body in further 20 seconds. Very easy questions. Just I just given to you. If you are trying to resolve, it's okay. Otherwise, I will solve it. See, initial velocity is 10 meter per second. Initial velocity is 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. Initial velocity 10 meter per second. And u 20 meter per second. And time takes t is equal to 10 second. 10 second. Okay. Very easy. K is equal to v minus u by t. What is the value of v? 20. This is a 10. Time 10. 10 or 10. 10. 1 second. And further question is, what will be the velocity of next 20 seconds? Next 20 seconds. V is equal to u plus 80. What is the value of u? 10. And what? Sorry, plus. And a is 120 seconds. 10 plus 20, 30 meter per second. Very easy. Okay. Just revise today, and again we will start the further. I think we have covered unit, quantity, and accelerations, velocity. See, velocity will have the direction also. So you remember, please, this is vector quantity. Yeah? Vector quantity, velocity, vector, scalar, speed. there is no directions, it will have the directions. वेलोसिटी will have the direction, वेलोसिटी में डायरेक्शन होगा और स्केलर में वेक्टर वेक्टर डायरेक्शन नहीं होगा. इसलिए प्लीज मेमोराइज दिस थिंग इन द टर्म्स ऑफ दैट वेलोसिटी इज वेरी very quick physical quantity, where is this has the magnitude as well as direction also. Speed will have the magnitude only but without any direction. There is no directions. Just memorize, and we have just solved one questions, and we will try to cover up one chapter, two chapter, three chapter, four chapter like that, and you will be just growing up by knowing all those things. So thank you. क्या तुम मेरा सुनाओ? टेंथ का एक चैप्टर इंट्रोडक्टरी लेते हैं, टेंथ का एक चैप्टर सिर्फ, उसको देखिए एनसीईआरटी में सही है। लाइट 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 और मीडियम मीडियम, where the light passes through, it is called medium. Medium can be in two types, rarer आपको में दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है, ये दिख रहा है, हाँ? दिस इज ए लाइट आ रहा है और ये लाइट जा रहा है। ये लाइट जो आ रहा है वो लाइन नॉर्मल से, नॉर्मल का मतलब हो गया परपेंडिकुलर टू द पॉइंट वेयर लाइन वेयर प्रकाश लाइट के बारे में हम बता रहे थे। लाइट का वेलोसिटी, लाइट का जो स्पीड होता है वो 3 × 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड है, 10 और 3 × 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड। और सूर्य से अर्थ तक आने में टोटल जो टाइम है ये 8 मिनट तक ये ट्रेवल करता है। ये ध्यान में कहते हैं, है ना, Snell's rules ये जो लाइट आ रही है और ये लाइट जा रही है, ठीक है ना, और ये नॉर्मल, तीनों एक प्लेन पर होगा। ओके, फर्स्ट रूल जो है इसका ये है, ये लाइट आ रही है, लाइट जा रही है और ये प्लेन, ये नॉर्मल, तीनों एक प्लेन पे होगा। दूसरा इसका साइन और इसका साइन का जो रेशियो है वो हमेशा कांस्टेंट होता है, जिसको म्यू बोलते हैं। म्यू, साइन आई डिवाइडेड बाय साइन आर, साइन आई डिवाइडेड बाय साइन आर। ओके, साइन आई डिवाइडेड बाय, दिस इज कॉल्ड coefficient of refractive index like this, है ना। अब ये देखते जाएंगे कि जैसे जैसे आप अगर इसको थोड़ा सा यहाँ से था तो ये ऐसे गया, फिर ये ऐसे आया, फिर ऐसे आया, एक ऐसा पीरियड आएगा कि ये लाइन को इसे टच करके जाएगा। इस समय इसका जो है ये जो एंगल है ये 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा, है ना। ये है क्रिटिकल एंगल, क्रिटिकल एंगल जिसको बोलते हैं क्रिटिकल एंगल, ये है ना। अगर angle of refractions will be 90 degree, and if angle of refraction will be 90 degree, then it is mu is equal to sin I, what is sin C, ये 90 डिग्री साइन 90 और ये साइन C, ओके। साइन 91, ये साइन C, ठीक है। म्यू इक्वल टू 1 बाय साइन C, कब? जब क्रिटिकल एंगल विल बी 90 डिग्री। ओके, जैसा I was giving an introduction for these chapters, and as longer as will increase by tomorrow itself, try to join the sessions maximum, so that I will have some happiness. Just things is just moving to the right candidate, and they will have some confidence, and I will be happy to just know the things कि आदमी कुछ सीख रहा है मेरे से। ओके बॉस, थैंक यू। चलिए बंद करते हैं, कल के लिए।